Hey, welcome in. Today we've got a tasty low-carb side dish, roasted radishes and carrots. Okay guys, we've got a bag of baby carrots. We've got 2 bags of radishes. We're going to season it up with some coarse ground black pepper, our Kinder's Italian chop house seasoning, and some kosher salt. Really simple, guys. Alright guys, what we're going to do now, we're just going to cut open our bag of baby carrots and get them into a strainer. And we're also going to cut open our radishes, and we're going to cut the ends off of our radishes and cut those in half. Hey guys, if you can, please like the video, share it out if possible. I'd really appreciate it. Now these are some nice sized radishes, so what we're going to do, we're just going to, like I said, we're going to cut the ends off of them, and then we're just going to cut them in half. Now, if you have a smaller radish, you can go ahead and cut the ends off of that as well, but just leave it whole. You won't need to cut that one in half. Like I said, this is a really good substitute for potatoes. If you are on a low-carb diet and you're trying to cut out, potatoes and starches, try radishes. They're a really good substitute for potatoes, and they really do taste similar to a potato, so you really won't miss anything. And if you wanted to go completely low-carb, you can eliminate the carrots as well. There are carbohydrates in carrots, but they're not bad. They're good for you, but they do have carbs in them. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure that you wash your radishes really well. They are root vegetables. They are grown in the ground, so they are dirty. So you want to make sure that you wash them really well before you go ahead on and season them up and cook them. All right, once you get them clean, all you want to do is you want to take a cookie sheet or pan or whatnot, and then spray it down with some olive oil spray to make sure that your veggies don't stick, and just lay them down on as flat as possible on that cookie sheet. Now if you wanted to, you could add in some sliced peppers and onions as well, but we're just going to keep it really simple today, guys. So I'm going to season them fairly liberally with some kosher salt, some of our coarse ground black pepper, and then our Kinder's Italian chop house blend. Like I said in the previous video, if you have not tried that Kinder's Italian chop house blend, it is amazing. I recommend you get it. I did get mine at Sam's Club. You may be able to find it at other stores as well, but I really like it. It's right up there with the complete seasoning for me. And let's give that a good little shake on there as well, guys. And when you get it all on there, go ahead and just mix it around a little bit. Make sure that your veggies are really incorporated well with that seasoning. You want to get it all over. Mix it up real good. And we're going to go into a 400-degree oven. I'm going to cook these for about 40 minutes. So I'm going to cook them for 20 minutes with aluminum foil over the top. And then for the last 20 minutes, we're going to pull that foil. So all ovens are different. Just make sure that you cook them until your veggies are fork tender. Once you get them all seasoned up, you just want to take a little bit more of that olive oil spray and hit them on top and put them in the oven. All right, guys, it's been 40 minutes and our veggies are done. Just take a look at that. They are fantastic. They really do look like, little mini red potatoes, but they are radishes and they are delicious. Get them into your serving bowl, and all you want to do is just take a little bit of fresh parsley and put a little bit on top just to make it look nice, make it look pretty, allow it to be presentable. And that's it, guys. A simple low-carb side dish, roasted radishes and carrots. If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. You guys give this recipe a try. It is really good. A lot of times, a lot of people have probably never had radishes before, and I actually just got hip to them, and I'm glad that I did because they are fantastic. Like I said, guys, I appreciate you watching. Until the next time, God bless.